In this video, you're gonna make a battery using Blender in just 60 seconds. And the best part of this video is that you can download and use this asset for free right now. You are going to need Blender if you don't have it already. Anyone can download it right now. It's free and open source. So let's create a battery using Blender. Open up a new Blender file and we are gonna create a new cylinder mesh and put however many vertices you want. Then we are gonna scale the shape to make it bigger and then make it longer. Select the top face and set it and then extrude it upwards to create the tip at the top. Now create a loop cut and move it upwards. Then select the face at the bottom and inset it just a bit. All we need next is to create the materials. I made one green material, one black material, and one silver material. Then I will select the faces and assign the material I want to it. And congrats, you created your own battery from scratch using Blender. Remember that you can download this battery asset for free right now using the links below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe. I put a lot of time and effort into these videos, and seeing all your positive feedback is pretty motivating. Let me know what I should make next by commenting down below, and check out some of the games I made. Your feedback will help me make them better. Thanks for watching. See ya.